I'm Fang Cong from Brazil, and I'm an exchange student at CUC. In the winter of 2023, I participated in the CUC Film and Media Production Talent Camp to Xizang. I will study and live with Xizang students for the next 9 days and write a Xizang Campus Diary. Today is December 3rd, the first day we set off to Xizang. I'm also very excited to visit the schools and talk to the students. Xizang is a beautiful and mysterious place for me. I will see its beauty from my own eyes and experience the life of the students there. Their life may be totally different from mine because we live in a totally different environment. I want to chat with students there and experience their campus life. Therefore, I'm very excited. I finally came close to the campus on the roof of the world. 你好，你好。We're at the dormitory of students in grade 9. They'll have their middle school entrance examination after 120 days. The students are having their morning reading now.
我想去北高，尽量考个内地的。我从小就想去北京西藏中学。
After the morning reading, we came to the classroom to experience the Tibetan language class.
汉族、回族还有这个藏族3个民族组成的一个家。
我叫马来也是回族，我也会平时学习一些藏文。
年名朱俊杰是给予，俺打入了军门营，俺给日营，学藏文也可以和学校里面的人交往。就比如说，我兄弟双鲁，他经常帮我。
数学底子是很差的，所以他在数学课的时候会帮助我。
我理科还可以，他是文科也可以，所以我们两个就相互问、相互理解。玩的时候是我们两个一起到他家里面玩。
感觉大家可以是很好的朋友，就可以说不仅限于同学了，可以相互帮助，然后相互学习的。
It was my first time trying to write with bamboo.
2个指头要写的，必须要2个指头这样。对。
Tibetan Opera Club is one of the most popular student clubs in the school. I learned the Tibetan opera movements with my classmates. The teacher even gave me a special try on the costume he designed. Although I didn't learn Tibetan opera in such a short time, my classmates invited me to join them in the rehearsal. I could not keep up with their movements at all in the vigorous and spirited music, but I felt the fire-like enthusiasm.
"月"这个意象在古诗词中。 小楼左右东风，恰似一江春水向东流，句句都是怀念着他的。
When students found out that I'm from Brazil, they were curious and wanted to learn my language. 我的母语是哪一个？哇，说得对啊，葡萄牙语。你好就是 oi。 There's a chemistry lab class going on here. And wow, I didn't expect such modern teaching conditions in Lhasa. I wish I could have had this kind of 化学课。
大家可以把 cut 的短语写到边上，这个是 cut down，cut down 跟
How can you make your meals healthier?
What do you think?
I think have vegetables,
Yes.
And some fruit.
Where are you? School. My school here in China.
China.
The people here are very welcoming. Yeah. It's break time now. and the sound of the joyful music really caught my attention.
这是我们西藏非物传艺的一个舞蹈，然后这个名字叫做舞动高原。
Teachers and students adapted the traditional guozhuang dance in Xizang into the class break exercise, so that they would exercise while dancing. That's quite interesting.
385。
When I came to Xizang for the first time, I experienced not only enthusiastic traditional culture, but also advanced modern teaching. The campus on the roof of the world is full of brilliant sunshine.